So, my favorites. So, the first thing I put was dinner with my friends. Now I'm going to go on to my next thing. One of my favorite things to do is cook. Does anyone have a question for me? Caillou.
What do you cook?
What do I like to cook? Yeah, so I need to elaborate on that a little bit more. So one of my favorite things to cook, and it's a great thing to cook in the fall, is soup. I love cooking soup, and I like to save it, and I can bring it for lunch, so I love cooking soup. Another thing that I like to make are cookies.
Oh, I love the chocolate chip
Cookies. And finally, the last thing I love to make is
Kids happy.
homemade pizza. Do you see something that is similar between
pizza before once.
two of
There's like
my
this bread.
things that I
I
like?
put
Phelan, what do you see?
Me and my mom put beans and mini pepperoni.
Yeah, so two of the things that I classified, I actually like to go out for pizza. But what's different about the pizza in this column, Valeria?
I love chocolate.
Yeah, so I'm actually cooking it at home.
Chocolate.
Okay? All right, my very last one. Can I have everyone's learning behaviors, please? That means showing me all your eyes. Mouse off. Thank you so much. My last one of my favorite things to do is travel. Who would like to ask me something about that? Hunter.
Where do you like to travel?
Good. Where do I like to travel? So, one of my favorite places I like to travel to, and that is to Chicago. I love to go to Chicago because that's where I'm from, and that's where my family lives. So that's where I like to go. Another place I love to travel is here in Colorado. I love to go to the mountains.
I went hiking
And finally, let's see who knows me so well in here. Where's another place I love to travel to? Lilia?
Ireland.
I do. I love to go visit my friend who lives in Ireland.
My friend is a leprechaun.
So what I'd like you to do now is I'd like you to look at your last two favorites and please classify them. If you're stuck, maybe show someone at your table and they can ask you a question. And that will help you brainstorm what you need to do.
Yeah. So, what is yours?